Hi guys, Welcome! Hi guys, so we're going to make a movie, and we're going to make this trailer first, and it's all about Donald Trump and World War III. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. The platform that we're doing it on is Microsoft Movie Maker, so if you have any tips for that, please let us know.